What are you doing?
Fixing.
What's wrong?
Because tires so tight.
Oh, you screw them on so tightly?
Yes. Because we're keeping like this.
Oh, are you gonna be a mechanic someday?
Yes.
Why are you scratching? Itchy?
But it's tired. I need to scratch.
Why do you need to scratch?
Because they're a boo. That's why I scratch.
You got a boo-boo there?
Yes. And I need to scratch.
What happened? Why do you have a boo-boo there?
Because I'm still playing. And I hit my chin and I try again and I feel my kick on my chin and my chin not bump anymore and my boo-boo not come here.
Oh, so you don't have a boo-boo on your chin, but you have a boo-boo on the leg, right?
Right, but boo-boo inside on the truck.
Oh, so you're all right now?
Yes, and the fans go over the fence.
Oh, okay. Say bye, fans.
Bye-bye, fans.